can you type fast? Just simply come on to this website, click over here, fill out this form, hit enter, and that is it. You are now making thousands of dollars, all this by typing for some time. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. Guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can make $522 per day on complete autopilot. Guys, this one is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment, skill or previous experience whatsoever to get started. But before we move on, I want to give you guys a small disclaimer that the following video is going to be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, then I cannot guarantee that this method will or will not work for you. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Website number 1. So on website number 1, we have Requlalry. So Requlalry is basically a website that is gonna pay you for just doing a typing work. So basically, if you were to learn to type faster with Requlalry, you can learn that, and once you can type fast, well then they are gonna pay you for that. So how does it work? You simply type in the search bar Requlalry, and then after that type in jobs. Now once you do this, you will see this page in front of you. From over here, simply open this first one, and then over here click on start typing now. Now once you learn to type fast, after that you will receive a certificate. So once you have a certificate, now you can make money. Now how is that gonna work? So guys, listen, take a look at it like this. If you have a certificate, people take you more seriously. If you don't, well then people don't take you seriously. So that is why having a certificate is important right now. So once you have that certificate of yours, what you can do is that you can simply move on to website number 2 with me. Website number 2. So at website number 2, we have rev.com. Now guys, your certificate is going to come in very handy on this website. So guys, over here we can see that this website offers transcription, captioning, foreign subtitles, and various different things as well. And now they have been trusted by over 170,000 plus customers across all industries. Now below that, you can even see how many big brands they have on their team. Like they have Viacom, CBS, TCM, PBS, and in education they have Texas, they have UCLA, they have University of Michigan. Like they have all these things. Like they even have Visa and Amazon too. So guys, you know that this website is pretty legit and they are not going to be running out of business anytime soon. So why Rev? Firstly, because they have simple upfront pricing. Secondly, because they offer secure online delivering. So basically, like, you will receive your pay at time every single month. Now what I want you to do is that simply click in the search bar and type in Rev Jobs. Now once you type in Rev Jobs, open up the first link. Now once you open up the first link, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here, firstly, you have some of the benefits of working with their website. So firstly, you can create a flexible work schedule. Their freelancing jobs allow you to work as little as you want whenever you want. You can choose from hundreds of jobs, enjoy selecting from a variety of projects that actually interest you. And their vast network of customers means a steady stream of freelancing jobs to choose from. Now you can get paid weekly and you can receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all the work that you do. So guys, like, you will be receiving payments directly into your bank account. Now below that, you can see all the jobs that they offer. So like, they offer transcriptioning work, they offer captioning work. In transcriptioning, what you're going to be doing is that you will be listening to audio and video and you will be accurately typing what is being said, and also you will be labeling speakers. Now once you've done that, you will receive $0.30 to $1.10 per audio/video minute transcribed. After that, as a captioner, you will be watching the videos, accurately typing what is being said, creatively convoy sounds, and sync typed audio with video, and the pay is going to be roundabout the same. So how can you start making money? So firstly, you're going to be taking a quick quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Secondly, you will be submitting a transcriptioning or caption sample, which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. Thirdly, if you are approved, you'll be able to register and start earning right away. So guys, like that is basically all the things that you need initially. Now, if you know a foreign language, well then you can earn 1.5 to $3 per audio minute. Guys, that is a lot of money and you can do that. So over here, we also have some testimonials from people who have worked with this website and they have been featured in the Penny Horror, Forbes, The Huffington Post, The Work at Home Wife, A Real Ways to Earn Money, and Business Insider as well. So when you're ready, click on sign up to be a freelancer and you will see a sign up form in front of you and you can simply fill that out, send it over and you are done. So guys, this was website number 2 and now we're gonna jump into website number 3. Website number 3. So at website number 3, we have transcribeme.com. Now guys, transcribeme.com is basically another website through which you can earn money by just simply doing transcription work. So they offer data annotation, they offer transcriptioning work, they offer translation work, they offer AI data sets work, and they also offer many more things. So guys, if we just scroll down, we can see that they have all the industry's leading facilities. Now what I want you to do is that simply click on jobs from the bottom right corner and then that is going to take you over to this page. So over on this page, you can see how much money you can make. Your average monthly earnings are going to be $250 and they also offer advancement opportunities for their special teams that include medical and specialty styles which pay at even higher rates. Now you can grow and learn as well and they also offer expert training and also flexibility. So guys, once you know all of that, simply click on get started and then they will take you to another page. Now guys, over on this page, simply put in your first name, your last name, email address, your password again, and also your PayPal account email. Now once you put in all of that, choose your country, state, time zone, preferred notification language, gender, employment, and also transcription experience. And then after that, choose your language, put in your Skype, your phone number, and also how did you hear about them. Choose YouTube from over here and then click on create profile and you are done. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So guys, this was basically the video and this wraps up our video completely. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.